Water, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, bitch, water, bitch, on a, wanna.
Alright, y'all, let me just put y'all on. I kind of want to try this unscented soap. So I'm going to try that.
Hey, hey, surfer, wave, hop it, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby.
I think I'm going to grab pink Himalayan scrub. This actually smells so good, y'all. So I think I'm going to get this too. Alright, let's see if I can squeeze through it. Alright, y'all, so you know you already gotta get some pads. So let me just show y'all my favorite ones. I like these ones the best. Cause you gotta look at right here. But I think I do wanna try those little panties right there. But that didn't go to Honey Pot products, but I already got the wipes in a wash, so I don't really need that right now. So they got some little deodorants. If I really want this, because I don't use this, I might pass on that one. I'm seeing this right here. Sparkle mint. Yes, I've been seeing this everywhere and I think I want to try this. I don't know, but look at the back, y'all. Look what it says. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get this too. These are our goods for now.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my nigga throw it up. If I'm out to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. Got no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real.
Alright, y'all, so here are the folders. We love to see a good sale. So I think I'm gonna get pink. I think I want to get the phones. I think I'm gonna get pink because I want it to be like girly. Pink and orange. And then I think we're gonna do like a white. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to be real cute and colorful tonight. But these are just some folders. And then this right here. I don't really know what else I need. Like, I'm not getting no binder or nothing because that's just doing too much. They don't really have no pins on sale because we're looking for the sale, y'all, okay? Like, what I'm not doing is getting some pins for $6. That's just crazy to me. Alright, y'all, so this is all the stuff that I got. Hey love, so I'm back from Target or whatever, and yeah, let's get into the supplies that I got. Alright, so to start off, I got these two folders, orange and pink, and they was only 50 cents, so I'm like, it's a steal, just had to buy it. So I mean, everyone knows what a folder looks like, but let me just show y'all the inside. And I got the ones with no prongs because it's more flexible, and I don't know what kind of papers I'm going to be getting and stuff like that. So yeah, two cute folders because the vibe that I'm trying to get for back to school is colorful, fun, and I just gotta stay focused. So I got fun colors to make me feel motivated to go back to school. Alright, and so the next thing that I got is a 3 subject, and it's yellow and it's so cute, so bright, just like me. Cute and bright spirit. But yeah, I got a 3 subject because I'm taking biology, chemistry, and pre-calculus. So I feel like why not just get a 3 subject because there's no point in me getting 5. Alright, and so the next thing that I got is this simple little rule book, and I got red because red is one of my favorite colors. But yeah, I just got a simple one because this one can be extra. That's why, and I have extra paper. I have a whole bunch of stuff. That's why I didn't even do a lot of school shopping for supplies, because I already have a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is what it's giving inside. Very much basic, but needed for school. So yeah, I only got 2 notebooks for the semester. Alright, so I did get a pencil case too. It's just clear because the one that they had at Target was all colorful and stuff, and I'm like, I just want to be basic. I don't want no fancy pencil case. So yeah, I just got this clear one, very much basic, and a white little zipper. They could have did like a bright color zipper, like an orange or a yellow or something to make it pop, but this will do, I guess. Alright, so the next thing that I got was some more colorful pens, but these are old pens. I bought these for my summer semester, and I already lost red, pink, light blue, black. I already lost them, so I gotta search for those before I try to buy some more colorful pens, because y'all did see me buy them in the other clips, but I took them back a couple of days ago because I'm like, I have these already. Why would I buy these again? And I'm gonna be on a hunt for these pens for real, because these are some good pens that I always lose. Like, it's ridiculous. But yeah, but just make sure you don't lose them like me. Alright, so I got these 3. Well, there was actually a yellow one that came with this, but like I said before, I had a lot of supplies and the other one is gone somewhere. But yeah, I guess I got these 3 from Target last fall semester, and they're still holding up pretty good, so I'm surprised, but not really, because they were like $5 highlighters. I normally don't buy expensive utensils. I say utensils, school supplies. I normally don't buy expensive school supplies, and then I got Dollar Tree highlighters too, just because I just wanted more. And yeah, just the basic ones. And I also got this orange one too to go with the Dollar Tree pack. So yeah, cute and orange. So I do have a lot of old mechanical pencils and wooden pencils. So, and I got these, I also got these from Dollar Tree because I mean, it's Dollar Tree. You know, sometimes the stuff do last long. I'm not going to throw shade at Dollar Tree, but I got these gel roller pens, and then I got some black gel roll-on pens as well. I just like writing with pens now. But yeah, that's everything for the supply portion. Let's get to this little mini emergency kit that I got going on. Now, if you know, you know, and if you don't, you're not an OG. But I already have, y'all remember this? Yeah, I already have what's in my emergency kit video last semester, and I just didn't feel like doing another one because it's pointless to me. It's the same stuff every year. But I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what's in here. So, of course, the girlies, y'all gotta have some pads on y'all. My favorite brand is Honey Pot, of course, because I don't know, it's black owned and it don't have any chemicals in it, so I feel like why not support, you know? But with the feminine wash, she definitely did change the ingredients up, and I do not like it no more. So yeah, I need my $8 back, boo. The next thing is in here is ibuprofen, just in case you're on your period and you need a little some to make the cramps go away. Alright, and speaking of periods, the next thing that will be useful is some feminine wipes, baby wipes, flushable wipes. Oh, look at that plane. Any type of wipes, y'all, will be very good. It makes you feel very clean after you wipe yourself. So the next thing that I got are masks, of course, because you need masks. It's COVID, monkeypox. I need some gloves because I don't need nobody touching me with these monkey business going on around. They need to stay away from me. But yeah, of course, masks. There's nothing else to say about masks. The next thing I got is gum, because you gotta have that fresh breath at all times. Alright, so the next thing that I got is this mini first aid kit. Sorry y'all, I'm actually watching my YouTube videos while recording a YouTube video because I'm just looking at my progress. Like, I really came a long way. But yeah, some band-aids in here just in case I get a little boo-boo and I don't feel like walking to nurse office. I don't even know if colleges have that. So next thing I got is lotion, which is very needed which is very needed because my hands are always like, I don't know, to me my hands are always like hard and rough. Like, don't nobody want no hard rough hands. I know I don't, because that's just not It's just not giving to me. So yeah, make sure y'all have some lotion. You might be ashy in the cracks a little bit. Am I ashy? Yup. Hold on, y'all. I can use this right now. Oh, well, it's probably because I washed my hands. But still, none of that ashy stuff. The next item that I got is hand sanitizer, of course. I mean, y'all understand why. And then the last thing that I got in here is some Carmex. You don't want to have no dry lips. I use lip gloss too, of course. But yeah, I use this and then some Victoria's Secret pink lip gloss. Bomb lip combo. Real cute. So that's everything for... Oh, why is the camera shaking? Why? Portion. It's getting darker and darker. Hold on, let me up it up. Ooh, that's the highest it could go. All right, y'all, so I gotta do this quick because the lighting is getting darker because it's getting nighttime. So yeah, let's finish this off real quick. So the next item, shower item that I have is that. And the reason why I have this is because I don't know, there was this TikTok saying that like it's better to wash with a bar soap and then body wash. It just makes you feel better. I don't know, I just got it just to have it. So the next item I got is Jergens because it's the best lotion in the whole wide world. No explanation. If you dry, boom boom, rub it in, and then you smooth within seconds. So if y'all don't like Jergens, then I don't know what to tell y'all. All right, so we're just gonna get into oral hygiene. So yeah, I just got a Caress medium toothbrush. That's about it, no explanation. All right, and the next thing that I got was some Caress 3D white. I don't know, what caught my eye was starts whitening after one brush. Y'all see something? Well, I haven't been using this toothpaste. I've been using another toothpaste in the bathroom, but I used it once and I just felt like my teeth is giving veneers. Hopefully I see some change. All right, so the next thing that I got is this right here. And I only got it because I seen it all over TikTok and I'm like, all right, this gotta be some bomb.com mouthwash because why is everyone buying this? Is it because the aesthetic or what? But I did use it and I feel like it is good, but that Listerine, I just feel like that Listerine hit different, like it's stronger, and that's the tea. All right, and finally, the last few things that I got is some more Honey Pot product. I got the pads, and then I got the wipes. This is the best combo y'all need to have when it's the time of the month. The wipes and the pads, because you just feel extra fresh, extra herbs getting into your system. I don't know, but that's the tea. But as y'all can see, the lighting is getting darker, so that means it's almost nighttime. So I'm gonna close this video out right here, and thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all already know what the deal is. And if you haven't subscribed to me, then I think you should subscribe right now because I'm just that girl. Okay, I'm just that girl. But yeah, turn on the post notification bell down below because as you can see, your girl's been consistent and I'm gonna keep that consistency, y'all. I know I've been saying it in the past, but you know, I'm speaking into what I've been saying. But bye guys, thank you for watching and thanks for all 170 something subscribers. Love y'all, for real. Bye.